This is Randy with ReportMaster Software. I want to show you how you can do a really good complete SOAP note very quickly with our system. I'm going to hit Add New or Edit Existing Charts. Here we have Mr. John Jones. This is actually a chart that I just barely started a little while ago. So he's been in a motor vehicle accident. We're doing a note, and I'm going to hit Next Screen here. Here we have the system knows he's been being treated for neck pain and upper back. Notice how there's no data in here, though. Well, look at this button here. It says check here if the symptoms haven't changed. I'm going to hit that button, and now we see it. We have a 7 here. That's from our last visit. He was a 7 on the pain scale. It was having a serious effect on his activities. Upper back was an 8. It was preventing certain activities. And let's say this time he tells us his neck's improved a bit. It's a 6. Upper back has improved a lot. It's a 7. And maybe he tells us something else like Mr. Jones states that he can run, how about a half mile without pain. All right, anything they tell you, anything you want, you can just add in like this. You could add paragraphs and pages of information if you needed to. Now, I'm going to hit the drop down here, and we're going to go to the assessment screen. We're going to hit no change on it. He's progressing as expected. He's receiving medically necessary therapeutic care, not at maximum medical improvement. It's good prognosis. Down here at 12, he's had minor improvement since the last visit. You'll notice that here we have today's goals: decrease pain and improve alignment. Next screen, here's the plan part of the note, future care plan. We're going to hit the no change button on it. For care phase, he's still in a relief care phase. For frequency and duration, we're seeing him 3 times per week for 4 weeks. Now, by the way, you could change this, right? In other words, you hit that no change button to pull everything up on the screen. But then if there's a change, you just make it. But in many cases, it might be the same for a number of visits. For the future treatment plan, we're going to be doing ultrasound, home exercises, and chiropractic adjustments. And for future treatment plan goals, it is decrease pain, increase ability to perform activities of daily living, and return to pre-accident status. Now, let's see how this note comes out. I'm going to hit Main Menu, Red Report from Chart, and we're going to click on that date, hit OK. And when this is done, we'll actually be looking at a Word for Windows document, right? So it's in a format that you could go in and actually type into it if you want to. Like here we have, for instance, right here, if I wanted to just type something, I could start typing here because this is a Word document. All right, so now by the way, this is a note. Now on the objective and treatment part of the note, I didn't actually show you that particular screen. And the reason is that's really our best screen. The flexibility of having any objective finding and any treatment that you could ever possibly have, as specific or as general as you want to have it, our system is very good at that, and we'd like to actually show you that in a live demo. But let's take a look at this note. Here we have subjective. Mr. Jones' current signs and symptoms were assessed today. His neck pain has slightly improved since his last visit. It was 6 on the 1 to 10 pain scale. This symptom is seriously affecting his daily activities. Mr. Jones' upper back pain has greatly improved. On the 1 to 10 pain scale today, this complaint was rated at 7. Some of the patient's daily activities are currently being prevented by this symptom. Mr. Jones states that he can run a half mile without pain. Now, you'll notice here that I made a typo here. That's actually from me, that's not from the program. So now here we have objective. Cervical spine range of motion remains restricted. Palpation. Cervical region examination revealed the following: slight pain and tenderness and articular fixations at C2. Palpation revealed the following as well: moderate pain and mild edema of the left ankle. Here we have assessment treatment. Today's modalities and procedures. The modalities performed on the cervical region consisted of chiropractic adjustment to C2. Other treatment consisted of ultrasound and extremity adjustment to the left ankle. The above was for the purpose of decreasing pain and improving alignment. Today's assessment, he's progressing as expected. He's not yet at maximum medical improvement and is presently receiving medically necessary therapeutic care. The patient has experienced minor improvement since his last visit. Prognosis. The prognosis for Mr. Jones is good at this time. His is a somewhat complicated case, and despite the possibility of permanent residuals, continued improvement is expected. Future care plan. Here we have the care phase. The future treatment plan. What are we going to be doing? the goals of the plan. It's just a very good, complete, by-the-book SOAP note that will protect you and cover you and provide you with what you need if you ever have to provide anyone else with this documentation. Now, we would very much like to show this to you. You've gotten lucky. You can still get ReportMaster at the old price. So give us a call. Let us show it to you. We'd be happy to do a live online demo, and we'll show you why this thing works so well and why so many chiropractors are very happy with it. So give us a call. The number is 877-742-9215. We look forward to working with you. Thank you.
Please give us a call today, toll free, 877-742-9215 for a live demonstration. Thanks.